Move, 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 move. Do we still have everything showing up? We got a red light. Where is the red light? Cool. Welcome to the Willie Bill Outdoor Show. This is good, isn't it? Whoa. Hey y'all, this is Willie Bill. I got a review for you today. It is of these. These are Filtrete Micro Allergen Extra Reduction Filter Model 1085. That's 1085. I'm sorry, that's not a model. That's microparticle performance rating. I mean, geez, you guys should have known that. What else would 1085 be other than the microparticle performance rating? If you would like me to translate, I can do that for you, because it is the what the hell? Move on, dogs. Calificación del desempeño de micropartículas. That's right. Bilingualwilly.com. That actually sounds like a very dirty website. I wouldn't recommend going there. All right, Filtrete Value 2-pack. Willie Bill, why are you reviewing air filters? Well, because I'm going to bring awareness. This is another public service announcement. I'm not the smartest person. I have an air conditioning system on the home that I live in, and apparently there's filters like this that are part of that system, and you're supposed to replace them. I think the recommendation is every season. So every 3 months you should go down, pull the old filter out and replace it. Last time I checked it, I realized it had been almost a year since I'd replaced it, and this thing was just covered in dog hair and dust and garbage, which apparently can negatively affect your system's ability to operate, to the extent that you could damage it and then have to pay lots and lots of money to have that repaired. So this is not so much a review of this particular filter. I can share that when you take the old, filthy, terrible filter out and you install a clean Filtrete 1085 Micro Allergen Extra Reduction Filter, it seems like the air flows a little more freely. It seems like the system doesn't work quite as hard to keep the house cool. Probably the same in the winter. Keep it warm. So this filter is better than a filthy, horrible, unchanged filter. Is it better than a different brand 1085 Micron Allergen Extra Air Cleaning Filter? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm not an HVAC professional. I'm just a guy living in a house that apparently wasn't doing the correct maintenance. So I just want to share that. The way these filters work, they have a size. It's written down here on the bottom. This one's 16 by 25 by 1. Those numbers denote the amount of inches of space that these things take up. And it's recommended that you replace a 16 by 25 by 1 with another 16 by 25 by 1. Other than that, I guess you can get different number ratings here that will filter more micro allergens. I can see on the logo here the stuff that it filters. There's some circles here that don't have pictures in them, so I got to imagine that the higher quality ones are going to have whatever shows up in those boxes. According to this, I can filter pollen, smoke particle. Now, there shouldn't be anybody smoking my house. I don't smoke, my wife don't smoke, dogs don't have thumbs, so they can't work a lighter. They haven't started smoking. Smog particles, lint, dust mite debris, not the mites themselves, just their debris. Mold spores, again, not the mold, just the spores. Household dust and pet dander. That seems like enough filtering for me. 90-day airflow performance. Yep, change it every 3 months. So yeah, is this the best filter? No idea. Is this filter better than the filthy dirty one that you didn't change on the correct interval? Absolutely. So I recommend change your filters. Then we can all have healthy lungs and stuff like that. Live longer, be able to spend more time in outdoors. Sound like a plan? Cool. Make sure you smack them buttons. Like, subscribe. We're going to see you next week. Do this every Thursday. Take care, y'all. There's an awful lot of stuff written on this bag. You need to move on, dog. All right.